Hello all. Today I am going to discuss about Amazon forest. Amazon forest is one of the largest forests in the world, which is located in South America. So which are all the countries which are having Amazon forest is very important for prelims point of view. So in order to remember which countries are covering Amazon forest, I am going to give you a code, a cheat code, which is BBCE and GPSVF. How many letters are there? 9 letters are there. So how we have to remember? BBC editorial. In BBC editorial, there is a news about Gram Panchayat of Sardar Vallabhai Patel farm. BBCE, GP, SVF. B means Brazil. 60% of Amazon forest is present in Brazil. Next B, Bolivia. C, Colombia. E, Ecuador. BBCE. And next is Gram Panchayat. G, Guyana. P, Peru. SVF. S, Suriname. And V, Venezuela. F is French Guyana. In this way, these are the 9 countries which are having Amazon forest. So, which are the countries which are having Amazon forest means B, 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 C, E and GP, SVF, Sardar Vallabhai Patel farm. So, there is a Gram Panchayat in Sardar Vallabhai Patel farmland. In this way, you have to remember the cheat code for Amazon forest in South America. Why it is in the news? It is in the news because there is an referendum conducted in Ecuador with respect to oil drilling in Ecuador. Regarding this, please watch next video. Thank you.